बच्चों, हाय बच्चों, वेलकम टू सोरिंग किड्स टीवी। आज हम A to Z पढ़ेंगे। A is for apple, B is for bee, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for earth, F is for fox, G is for giraffe, H is for house, I is for ice cream, J is for jellyfish, K is for kiwi, L is for lion, M is for mango, N is for nightingale, O is for owl, P is for pig, Q is for quail, R is for rocket, S is for strawberry, T is for turtle, U is for unicorn, V is for violin, W is for watermelon, X is for X-ray, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय।